Project management software versus task tracking platforms, which one is better for remote teams? Most people get this wrong by assuming that any tool that tracks tasks is sufficient for managing remote teams. The surprising truth is that project management software and task tracking platforms serve distinct roles, and using the right one can dramatically improve collaboration and productivity. Task tracking platforms focus on individual tasks, deadlines, and progress. For instance, a remote team using a task tracker can assign a task to a colleague, set a due date, and mark it as complete. This is ideal for day-to-day operational visibility and ensuring everyone knows what they're responsible for. Project management software, however, goes beyond individual tasks. It provides a holistic view of projects, including timelines, dependencies, resource allocation, and milestones. For example, a marketing team launching a product can use project management software to visualize all tasks, coordinate across departments, and monitor progress against deadlines all in one place. The key difference is scope versus granularity. Task trackers excel at managing discrete actions, while project management software provides strategic oversight of complex workflows. Most remote teams benefit from combining both, using project management tools for planning and coordination and task trackers for execution and accountability. The takeaway is clear: if your team is small and focused on simple workflows, a task tracking platform may suffice. If you're managing complex projects with multiple stakeholders and dependencies, project management software is essential. The surprising truth is that when used together, these tools create a remote workflow that's both efficient and highly organized, keeping teams aligned no matter where they're working.